You are going to love the 2015 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel, audio controls, cruise control, power outlet. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.